This is a particularly dangerous situation.
My WTS Django.
The news.
My fuck!
What's up guys, Chaos MOX here, and before you watch this video, I just want to mention how I am a fucking dipshit, and I accidentally deleted one of the alerts off my camera, which was a severe thunderstorm watch, but one of my closest best friends, Illinois War Tech, came in just clutch, and this is basically his footage, not mine, and I would gradually appreciate you subscribe to his channel. The channel will be down in the description below, but thank you, Illinois War Tech, for letting me borrow your footage to start this EAS compilation. But with that, enjoy the video.
Effective until 8 p.m. This watch includes the following counties: DeWitt, Illinois. Remember, west wind 15 miles per hour. Close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be change in weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to the weather. Commercial radio and television outlets or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. You're listening to more weather radio. Internet sources for the latest EZ65 in Bloomington. Now for the official National Weather Service. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Bowling, Martinsburg, Forest, Shamrock, Buell, New Hartford, Middletown, St. Clement, Olney, and Ashley. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Severe thunderstorm include Winchester, Manchester, Murrayville, Woodson, and Jacksonville. This includes Interstate 72 between mile markers 50 and 67. Lincoln County, East Central Montgomery County, Northeastern Warren County, until 4:15 p.m. At 3:37 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Jonesburg, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Troy, Warren, Moscow Mills, Winfield, Davis, Jonesburg, Hawk Point, Fountain and Lakes, Foley, Truxton, Cave, and New Hope. This includes Interstate 70 in Missouri near exit 188. This also includes Quiver River State Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Service in Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Scott County, southeastern Morgan County until 5 p.m. At 3:59 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Glasgow, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Manchester around 4:05 p.m. Murrayville around 4:15 p.m. Other locations in the path of the severe thunderstorm include Woodson, Franklin, Alexander, and Waverly. This includes Interstate 72 between mile markers 58 and 79. The service in St. Louis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Calhoun County in southwestern Illinois, southwestern Greene County in southwestern Illinois, west central Jersey County in southwestern Illinois, east central Lincoln County until 4:45 p.m. At 4:05 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Fountain and Lakes, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include golf ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Severe weather has been confirmed by train spotters reported golf ball size hail in Troy. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Jerseyville, Carrollton, Winfield, Hardin, Old Kane, Fielden, Batchtown, Foley, Otterville, Meppen, Woody, and Nutwood. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move immediately to shelter inside a strong building. Stay away from windows. The National Weather Service in St. Louis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern St. Charles County, southern Lincoln County, northeastern Warren County until 5 p.m. At 4:11 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Warrenton, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Woodsville, Troy, Warrenton, Wright City, St. Paul, Moscow Mills, Jonesburg, Truesdale, Hawk Point, Fountain and Lakes, Chain of Rocks, Flint Hill, Forestal, and Cave. This includes Interstate 70 in Missouri between exits 188 and 200. This also includes Quiver River State Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Fulton County, southeastern Fulton County, Tazewell County, northeastern Mason County, southern Peoria County until 5 p.m. At 4:28 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Canton to Lewistown, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Severe weather has been confirmed by emergency management. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Hannah City around 4:45 p.m. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include West Peoria, Bellevue, Glassford, Peoria, Bartonville, Creve Coeur, Germantown Hills, Spring Bay, and Bayview Gardens. This includes the following highways: Interstate 155 between mile markers 23 and 31. Interstate 474 between mile markers 0 and 14. Interstate 74 between mile markers 85 and 110. Severe The National Weather Service in St. Louis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Calhoun County in southwestern Illinois, southwestern Greene County in southwestern Illinois, southwestern Jersey County in southwestern Illinois, northeastern Lincoln County until 5:15 p.m. At 4:34 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over mainly rural areas of Lincoln County, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include ping-pong ball-size hail. Severe weather has been confirmed by train spotters reported ping-pong ball-size hail 2 miles southeast of Troy. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Locations impacted include Winfield, Hardin, Old Monroe, Fielden, Batchtown, Foley, Otterville, Michael, Meppen, Meadville, and Nutwood. The storm is producing large hail. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Here is your brief. The National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Sangamon County, southeastern Morgan County, until 5:30 p.m. At 4:38 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located at Alexander, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Located at Alexander, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near New Berlin around 4:45 p.m. Miami around 4:50 p.m. Mile markers 78 and 109. Interstate 72 between mile markers 69 and 70, and between mile markers 72 and 107. County until 6 p.m. At 5:06 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Browning, or 12 miles northeast of Beardstown, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Bath around 5:25 p.m. Other locations in the path of the severe thunderstorm include Kilbourne, Havana, Easton, and Manitou. During severe The National Weather Service in St. Louis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Greene County in southwestern Illinois, northern Macoupin County in southwestern Illinois, northeastern Jersey County in southwestern Illinois, northwestern Montgomery County, until 6 p.m. At 5:16 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Kemper, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Jerseyville, Carlinville, Verdon, Girard, Greenfield, White Oak, Farmersville, Palmyra, Old Cane, Kemper, Kane, Medora, Wagoner, Neilwood, Modesto, Chesterfield, Heddick, Rockbridge, Standard City, and Scottsville. Severe 50 p.m. Oriana around 6:55 p.m. Other locations: Gusts Lake, Storms, Long Creek, Dalton City, Monticello, Cerro Gordo, and Beeman. This includes Interstate 72 between mile markers. The thunderstorms will be near Harristown around 6:40 p.m. Decatur and Mount Zion around 6:45 p.m. Macon around 6:50 p.m. Floriana around 6:50. Whatever. A severe thunderstorm includes Findlay,